Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and in this video I'll show you how to replace the driver's side sun visor in a 2011 Honda Accord. As you can see, the visor in my 2011 Honda Accord won't close properly, and simply drops down because something broke inside of it near the hinge. When purchasing a new visor, make sure you purchase the one with the hinge in the correct position for your needs. This is the driver's side sun visor. In the US, that's on the left-hand side, with the catch bar on the right. This model also has a lighted flip-open mirror. This replacement visor includes a corner pocket on the outside, which my original visor does not have, so that's a nice little bonus. The measurements are 15 inches wide, 7 inches long on the right-hand side, and 6 inches long on the left. The hinge on the visor extends about 4 inches, and it has a guidepost and wiring for the light in the mirror. To install, you'll need to press in the release tab on the hinge. I found using a flathead screwdriver works well for this. Then turn the hinge counterclockwise towards the outside edge. Inside the car, the release tab is located on the side facing the windshield. So I'll press my screwdriver against it and turn the visor towards the door, and the hinge should pop out. To release the cable, press on the tab just above the connector, and you should be able to slide it out. Now, insert the cable clip into the new visor's connector, align and insert the guidepost into the hole, making sure the cable goes up into the roof panel, press firmly against the hinge, and rotate the visor towards the rearview mirror until it locks into place. And that's it. The new visor is a perfect fit and opens and closes normally. The light in the mirror also turns on when the cover is lifted and shuts off when closed. The visor sits flush with the ceiling panel again, and I can even store things like insurance and registration in the outside corner pocket. I hope you enjoyed this repair video. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link for the repair part I used in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.